What if sabihin ko sa'yo na it's possible to earn big, meet new business partners, and be on the best shape of yourself before 2025 ends? Sounds too good to be true, di ba? Pero ito mismo ang nangyari sa akin. Before the pandemic, I was a business owner. May sarili akong negosyong pinaghirapan ko for 10 years. Pero nang dumating ang pandemic, lahat nagbago. Nalugi, nagkautang, naubos ang ipon, nawala ng time freedom, bumalik ang panahon na nakabangon ulit, nalugmok, roller coaster ride. Sabay-sabay pumasok ang anxiety, depression, at yung feeling ng wala ka ng pag-asa. Dumating yung point na gusto ko nang sumuko, ang dami kong tanong sa Diyos na bakit ako? Nag-gain ako ng weight dahil sa stress eating, nagka-hormonal imbalance, nag-breakout, na-diagnose with PCOS, nagkaroon ng severe migraine at halos araw-araw pagod kahit wala akong ginagawa. I was physically, emotionally, mentally, and financially drained. Napagod ako. But in life, sometimes you need to stumble first to know that you are strong to get back up again, and I focus on myself. And that's not being selfish. And then I discovered something that completely changed my life. After 5 months, I lost 10 kilos. Naging mas healthy ako, bumalik ang confidence ko, and for the first time in a long time, I felt so good about myself again. Doon ko naisip, kung gumana sa akin to, baka makatulong din ako sa ibang tao na nawala ng pag-asa, pareho ko ng pinagdadaanan. So I decided to turn my transformation into a business. And in just 3 months, I already had more than 10 business partners. Now I'm earning 6 to 7 digits monthly, financially stable, and most importantly, I have my time and freedom back. This business is available in 60 plus country. Kahit nasan ako, tumatakbo ang negosyo, walang inventory, walang staff na iniintindi. Nakakatawa, no? From zero to global. Now I'm surrounded by my solid business partners, a generous company, and the products that truly work. Not just for weight loss, but for real, lasting health and confidence. This is not just a business, it's a mission to help more people transform their life, just like how mine was transformed. So kung ikaw to, pagod, nawala ng pag-asa, gustong kumita pero hindi alam kung paano at saan magsisimula, this is your sign. If I did it from rock bottom, you can do it too. Comment ready below and let's start your transformation together inside and out.